Hello, I'm Paul. I run Trendy Closets, which is a division of Trendy Blinds Inc. Trendy Closets offers a modular closet system that is custom quality and cut to fit practically any space in the home, from the walk-in and reach-in closets to pantry, laundry rooms, mudrooms, and more. The modular closet system that is flat-packed with standard parts allows a much faster turnaround time of 3 to 4 weeks. It also guarantees consistent quality and standard sizing to accommodate accessories that make the closet so much more useful for organizing.
Hi, I'm Ivanka from the Tiny Moose Professional Organizers, and I'm here at Trendy Blinds and Closets to talk all things closet organization. So we're going to start with this amazing closet system, and we're going to start on this side and move our way over. So over here, when you have shelving, I like to use bins to store items because it's great. You can get little designs, it looks really cute, it's fun. In here we have a custom-built jewelry organizer, which I love. And then over here, we have your laundry hamper, which is built in, and I love that. Now over here we have two areas. Anytime you have an upper and lower organizational system, I like to organize it in a way that you use whatever you wear on top, goes on top, whatever you wear on the bottom, goes on the bottom. Now this little guy is pretty fun. He's a valet rod, so you can pull him out, hang your clothes, plan your outfits for the day, and then when you're done, you just pop them back in. Over here we have our shoe or hat organizer, so you can put shoes up here, or you can use this for hats. I don't typically like using shoes in the closet too much because it tends to smell up the clothes. You don't want to use that. So any shoes you store in a closet should be shoes you don't wear that often. Now over here we have these amazing pullouts that I like to use for linens or maybe heavier items such as heavy sweaters or whatnot. Down here we can use this one for quilts. Now over here, again, it's up to your own discretion, but I like to use heavier blazer type items in an area like a corner, so it's bringing your eye into the closet. And then down here we can either use this for shoes as well, or for heavier items like sweaters. Anytime that you can, I like to make sure that you have an area of your closet that means something to you. Little decor pieces, nothing crazy, but so that when you walk into your closet every morning, you feel great, you're ready to get ready, and you're starting your day with a smile. Now down here we have drawers, which are handy for everything, and you can use them for things like your socks, your underwear, pop those in a bin. And then you can also have things like your t-shirts. I like to fold mine in thirds so that you can store them in like a filing system in here, so you can see every item of clothing that you've got. Same with down here, I've got all of my jeans, so when I pull out a pair of jeans from here, I know that I can put it right back where it belongs. Now finally, over here we have my favorite section, which is the dress section, and that is just for long, flowy dresses. Pretty simple. I like to organize them by rainbow, just because it looks fun, and it makes every closet feel like a party. So I hope that was helpful. Happy organizing, everyone.